What in the heck is a supplemental tax bill, and who's responsible to pay it? I'm Tim Halverson, the helpful lending guy, and I've been in the business for about 34 years helping people with mortgages, so I know a little bit about the mortgage industry. And supplemental tax bill is something that pops up quite often. So let's get into it. Supplemental tax bill happens when you buy a property in California because of Prop 13 that I think was passed right around 1978 or so. Disallows your property taxes to change unless there's a change in ownership or improvements are done to the home. With that, once you purchase a home, it signals the county to go out and reassess the property, because when you close escrow under the previous owner's property tax schedule. When that happens and you close escrow, it pops a note to the county, and they schedule a reassessment of your property. Once they reassess the property, they determine what you should have paid for the previous tax period in which you own the property, where the seller's value was the assessed value that you were taxed on, and then also any potential future tax bills that have already occurred prior to the reassessment. So what ends up happening is they give you a supplemental tax bill. It says supplemental on it, and that is something that you're responsible for as the homeowner, even if you have an impound account that pays your regular property taxes. So definitely something to take a look at and to understand what your responsibilities are. There are periods in which you may be able to have the lender cover all or part of the supplemental bill, but they aren't responsible for making that payment. So you'll have to give them a call and make sure that you have that conversation. They can look at your impound account and see if that's something that that they can handle for you, that there's enough in the impound account to be able to do that. And as a lender, for me, we calculate in what your future tax bill is going to be. So as they continue to collect your monthly payments that include your property taxes and insurance, that's handled, and there should be enough in there to cover future payments. But it's not always the case. So if you ever run into this circumstance and you ever have any questions at all regarding this, I'm definitely here for any questions. Reach out, message me. I'm happy to help. Thanks so much for listening, and make it a great day.